Welcome to the Queen's Court, everyone. This is Andrea Mason, and we are going to cook a stew tonight. Yes, I'm going to cook a stew. Soup rather, you know. It's cold outside, and we're expecting snow today. Well, tonight. 3 o'clock is supposed to have started, but it's just raining. So, and we're expecting 3 and over. So I have already cut up my chicken sausage that I'm going to be putting in there. I have my my chicken right here that I cut up, chicken thighs, okay. And I also had, I also have here some onions I'm getting ready to cut up, okay. And I have hamburger meat that I'm getting ready to put in the pan. I have hamburger meat here. Like that. Hamburger meat. I'm going to be... So I'm having 3 different meats in my stew. I'm getting ready to cut up my onions so that I can do my onions and my turkey meat together. Yep, and yeah, I'm going to be using stewed tomatoes and tomato paste, okay? And I'm also having Jiffy cornbread mixed with that. Soak up them juices. I want to say hi to everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Queen's Court. Come on in. Yeah, so I'm going to get this started. I already got the olives going. I got my chicken stock going back here so that I can put everything in there. I'm going to go ahead and put my stewed tomatoes down in there. As soon as I find my, oh my, I got so much stuff in here. Okay. As soon as I go ahead and get them in the pot. I've already put them in there. Okay. Go ahead and get that going. Because I like to, I like to go ahead and put that down in there. Okay, my stewed tomatoes is down. Rinse this out. How's everyone doing? Who's getting snow? Let me know who is getting snow. OMG. It's about to start. I'm going to use red and white onion. That's what I like. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sausage down over in here. Let them start cooking. Turn that down a little bit. I like to get mine, you know, seared a little bit. And that doesn't need any seasoning on it. So, doesn't need any seasoning on it. And then when I do that, I can go ahead and pop it in this back aisle here. As soon as it stops popping on me. Okay. Just want to... just sear them down, you know, just saute them a little bit, get them a little brown, and, you know, pick them up. Okay, back up. Go ahead and cut up my onions. This is Soup Andrea's way. And cut my onions, spice my onions up here, put them in the pan, let them saute. And I'm going to be putting my turkey meat in there with this. I like a bite of an onion. So I like the red onions too in my soup. So, that. Onions. Y'all know I love onions. Hope everyone is well. Oh, please let me know what you put in your soup. I want to know. What is it that you put in your soup? How do you make your soup? Everybody make their soup the way they want to make it. Yes, yes. Everybody make it the way they want to make it. Go ahead and put a little bit of Mrs. Dash on this here too. Let everybody do what they want to do when it comes to cooking their food, right? That's what I say. You know, I like to create stuff, so yeah. I most certainly do. Yep. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. And I want to say welcome to everyone that's been here since day one and in the middle and all that good stuff. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Got my onions going here. Need to turn that up a little bit. I wanted to go ahead and start some of this because it takes, well, I guess it all depends on how you're making it. But sometimes it takes time to cook a stew, or a soup rather. I used to do a stew, or, you know, like that when I was eating beef and stuff like that. But I don't eat beef anymore, so, but yeah, that used to be so, so good. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm gonna put a couple of noodles in here too. With this here, because I like the noodles and all that good stuff. And yeah, let me try this chicken off. Start. I'm saving them chicken right there. Some of this chicken for, because it's just me, you know. I'm saving some of this chicken for, I'm making, I am going to be making I'm not going to be making the nacho, chicken Alfredo nachos. Yes, that's going to be good. Yeah, but I wanted to get me a soup on, you know, because it's chilly outside. It's going to be cold, and yeah. Lord, I got a lot going on here, don't I? Okay. So, the onions can move over a little bit. Let me get this here and there. Get that started. My little gadget. My little hamburger gadget. Okay, it was up in there. I took it out. I thought to use it. I was going to use it. What did I do with it? Oh, Lord, here it is over here. Wow. Okay, here we go, y'all. So I'm just going to break my turkey meat up here. Okay. Break my turkey meat up here. I'm ready to take out these sausage because they are done. Sausage is done. Okay. That's going to be so good. Yeah, but I used to make my soup. I used to do the mixed vegetables and I do have the mixed vegetables. I got to get them out of here. And that's one piece of meat that's down. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my chicken. Set that on top of here like that. This up here. Turn that back out. Not really fall, but there's nothing else I gotta put in this pan now. Okay, there we go. So let's season this up. Let's transfer this over here so you all can be able to see what's going on. Turn that rear up. I got my stewed tomatoes in here. I'm gonna open up my can of tomato paste in a little bit. I should go ahead and put my my little bit of noodles that I'm going to put in there, veggie noodles. Okay, so I'm going to use the tricolor rotoni. I'm sorry, some in there. Put some in the pot back here. Go ahead and chop this up some more. Push and twist, push and twist. Yeah, push and twist. That's what it's all about. Push and twist. Push and twist, push and twist, push and twist, push and twist. Hope everybody had a good day, you know, wherever you living at, whatever part of the country that you live in, you know, just stay prayerful. Stay prayerful. I don't care what's going on, God is in control of everything. He is in control of everything. Let's season this up. Season this and go ahead and turn my oven on for my Jiffy cornbread mix. Okay, we're going to go ahead and use some Mrs. Dash. I love my Mrs. Dash in here. Okay, for my meat. With my turkey meat. And while I'm sprinkling, go ahead and sprinkle some more here on the chicken. Just a little teeny bit of salt. Okay, a little bit on the chicken. Alrighty. Let's see. A little bit of black pepper. See that Mrs. Dash had that black pepper in it. So try not to. Let's do a little bit of basil. And some on here. No, I'm not going to do no onion powder. I'll just do some garlic. Matter of fact, I'll do garlic here. But in my chicken, I'm going to put some garlic there. And a little bit of onion powder. I just love my onion powder. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Onion powder. Garlic. And basil. Okay? Alright. Here we go. And some more here. Okay. So, do this, give it a chop again. And again, I like to just go ahead and cook my stuff. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put my vegetables in here. Take them out. Excuse me. I got the soup mixed vegetables. It's got okra. It has okra. It has corn. It has onions, celery, carrots, and the green almonds. I'm not crazy about corn, but I was gonna get like the kernel corn. I mean the corn on the cob just to make it look cute and cut it real thin. But I was like, nah. A little corn on the cob costs too much money. I was like, oh no, that won't be happening today. Nope. So let me go ahead on and put my chicken on in here. Do that. Get my chicken on. Okay. And wash my hands. That going in. Go ahead and put my vegetables in the pan here, in the pot back there. And making sure that I'm down in the water because I was using them. Down in there. Oh, here they are. I washed Okay. Yeah, we got a lot going on here. So please, down in the comments below, let me know how you prepare your vegetable, how you do your soup and all that. But I love okra. I like okra. I used to like okra with corn, but like I said, I stopped eating corn like that. So, yeah. Woo! Looking good. Mixed vegetables. I don't know if y'all can see them. But yeah, a lot of the mixed vegetables in there. Like I said, it's only me, so I don't need a whole lot. Don't need a whole lot of vegetables. I mean, a whole lot, you know, but I'll be eating off of this for a couple of days, so yeah. Okay, we got that going. The chicken going. Little chicken thigh. Top this up a little more. Oh my goodness, I was looking at the snow that was in Rochester, New York. Oh my goodness. I was like, wow, I seen it on, I was looking at Donna the Dipper. And I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm going to let this here cook back here. Okay, just a little bit. And put a top on it. To the top one, I really want to cook that up here. As soon as just put this one up here, because this is the fast hour. We got to cook a little fast, you know. So, got my chicken going there. Got my onions in here. My onions, my red onions and my white onions and my hamburger. Meat is in here. And this is done. So I'm going to go ahead. Mix that together and go ahead and put my garlic over here. So I'll put this in here, let that sit right there until I'm ready to put it in the pan, because really it's just already done. All of that is done. So I'm going to put that back there for now. Go ahead and let that cook. Some more. Let me get my garlic. Garlic is right here. Then I'll start mixing up my cornbread. I already got my stove, you know, going to that. And let me get my pans here. A little muffin pan. For my cornbread. My muffin. Yes, honey, I am ready for this stove. For this soup. Yes, I am. I'm ready for the soup. Let me know how many of you all use seafood in your soup. I mean, you know, yeah, you can do anything you want to do, but I want to know the different soups that you make, you know? I want to know what kind of soup you make and how you make it, what you use, you know, to put in it. So, what you put in your soup. I know I love the garlic, so I'm just going to go ahead and saute the garlic in here with this chicken so that it can be nice and cooked. Put this here up. Go ahead and put these in here too. Go ahead and put these in here. This will put like a handful, not much. Like a handful of little times in here. So we can just put them down in there. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to be eating off off of this for a couple of days. Even though I'll be eating, you know, different stuff. I'll have it for like lunch or something like that there, you know. You know. So, I got that, all kinds of stuff up in here. So let me just stir this. I should have used a different pot maybe, huh? And what I'm going to do is cut down these string beans that's in here. I don't like them quite that long, so I'll just cut them down. And I better watch my shirt here, so that, and I'm going to cut down my stewed tomatoes a little bit. Okay, so they won't be taking up so much room. Yes. Oh, those okras look good in here. Oh, yeah, that looks good. That is looking good. I want to get in on this front aisle up here, though. Okay, cut up some of them. Yep. Cut them some tomatoes. Put in my tomato paste. Yeah, I like to cut it up. Who likes chopped salad? I love chopped salad. When I make my salad for lunch, because I have a salad every day, when I do my salad, let me put this over here so this can be cooking really good now. Okay. Here. Use this front out here. Finish cooking this here. Yeah, but I love chopped salad. Like, you know, when I make my salad for lunch, I cut it up with my shears. And I love it like that. You don't have to use a lot of salad dressing with it and stuff like that. So, yeah, I like that. Okay, cook this chicken just a little bit more with these here, saute the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna get some of this stuff off of here. Put this up in the refrigerator. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead on. I got the Jiffy cornbread mix. I need 1 egg and I need 1/3 of a cup of milk. Okay, here's my egg. Go ahead and back that up. Stir that up, rather. Back that up. Okay, back that up. Let me go ahead and open this here while I'm looking at it. This chicken is done. I don't want to, you know, scorch the, so I'm going to put that over here with the rest of the meat until I'm ready to put it in the pot. I just want those vegetables cooking before let me put this over here, before I start, you know, putting the other stuff in. Okay? So, let's do this. Go ahead and my egg. Okay. I really would have preferred some cornbread. I don't quite know how to make it. I mean, I can always go online, like I said, but I was asking you all to help me out, and you know, if you had the recipe to wait a minute. Let me get some butter in here. Nope. Just muffin. Okay. So, I was asking y'all to help me out, you know, with the different recipes that you have for like cornbread, you know, homemade cornbread or the whole cake or, you know, whatever you call it. But yeah, if y'all got some recipes for cornbread, hit me up and let me know. Email it to my email address or, you know, in the comments below. Yeah. Okay, let's season this up. I want to put a little bit of parsley in here. Now I'm going to put that up here. A little bit of basil, even though it was cooked with all of that. And let's do a little bit of garlic powder. That is looking so good. Did I put some Mrs. Dash? A little bit of Mrs. Dash. And just a little teeny bit of salt. Just a little. Stir this up. Y'all, I really think I need a bigger pot. I think I do. I was like, okay, it's not gonna be that. Oh, these okras look so good. Oh, they look so good. Alrighty, so let's get this here going. Y'all, I don't know how to edit and all that yet, so I can't cut nothing out. So everything you get is raw and it's real. Oh, I started a line dance class yesterday, and I tell you, I had so much fun. My girlfriend, we go to the line dance, and I do it for exercise, you know, because I'm getting older now, so I need some form of exercise. And when I was dancing, I love to dance, so I still like be in my house, you know, like it's sometimes when I'm looking at TV or exercising or something like that there. I like to dance because I used to dance when I was out in the street. I mean, you know, when I was going out, you know, out to the clubs and stuff way back in the day. Yeah, but I used to love to dance. And I was a cheerleader in school. Who all was a cheerleader in school? I was a cheerleader in school. Yeah. From the 7th grade all the way up to the 12th. So, yeah. Sometimes I think a lot of this arthritis, you know, in that knee come from that. Doing all that stomping and carrying on. You know what? I also see, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I do the line dance. And it was so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. So much fun. Anybody do line dancing? I mean, you know, just for exercise and stuff like that. That's what I do mine for. Just exercise. Yep. We got 5 out of this. I think we're supposed to have 6. I'm supposed to do 6 muffins, so I think I might got too much in one. I try not to put them up to the top. Nah, it's just gonna make 5. I'm not transferring nothing out of nowhere to put nowhere. Okay, so that's done. I haven't ate Jiffy cornbread mix in so long. Okay. Yes. Ooh, that's looking good. Smelling good too. So is anybody making a soup soon? Is my question now. I know I asked you. I'm getting ready to transfer all my meat in there now. I think I'm going to need another bowl, but that's okay. Another pot. I think I'm going to be all right. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, boy. Looks really, really good. Really, really good. Let them onions start marrying. And go ahead and put my Jiffy cornbread mix in the oven. Okay. Move something out the way. So I won't forget that they're in there. Oh man, I was looking at Shanti's channel today about the organization, how she did her organization, Shanti's Lifestyle. Please go check her out. I'm telling you, I was like, oh yes. I mean, she did that so nice. I love the canisters that she used, and just a lot of the stuff that she used today was really, really nice. Please check her out. If you're looking for some organization skills, she got it. She got it. Yes. Absolutely. So we got everything going there. I'm just going to wash up these dishes right quick. I'm going to put my soup in this. But I'm going to let that cook for a little bit. And, 35 minutes in. I don't want it to be too long. But some meals take longer than others. That's why I wanted to get some of it going before I came on camera. I like to get my dishes washed up and out the way. Washed up and out the way. I got some videos coming up. Coming up soon, I have my daughter doing my makeup. Daughter does mommy makeup. My grandson, we're going to have a mukbang. He loves seafood, so I'm going to have crab legs and some things coming up with that. And me and my daughter, we're going to do a mukbang together. She loves Popeye's chicken. I told her she eats so much chicken, she's going to start looking like one. And she loves chicken, period. But she don't eat the Popeyes like she used to. But so this will probably be a treat. She'll call me, Mom, what you doing? I'm like, such and such, such and such. You mind taking me to Popeyes? I said, girl, you going to look like Popeye's chicken. You going to look like a chicken. That's my baby girl. And me and my son, we all, you know, me, her, and my son were supposed to be doing a mukbang together. But like I told her, I can't even hardly get in touch with my son. He's so busy. Cutting hair, playing, you know, at church, because they in revival all the time. They always got something going on at their church, you know. So he's constantly playing, you know, because he plays the organ. So, I'm going to go ahead, as soon as this here gets done, I'm just going to go ahead on and show y'all the way the soup is looking and make up me a bowl. I am going to town. Yes, I am. I am going to town. If anybody does line dancing or any kind of form of exercise, let me know what kind of exercise you do. I done asked y'all so many questions in this here video. That's how you engage. That's how you get to know one another, you know. See what they into. See what they like to do, you know. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a $50 giveaway, gift card giveaway. These are gift cards. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm trying to get to 1,000. You all know what you have to do in order to be monetized. So I have to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view time, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm trying. That's why I try to get up a video every other week, and every other day. And like I said, I enjoy doing this. I really, really do. It is so much fun bringing you what I do. You know, I like to cook. You know, I don't love it, but I like to cook. I like to create dishes. I don't love cooking, but you know, I enjoy putting the dishes together. You know. Yeah, but I really want to know how people, you know, what they put in their soups and stuff, you know. What you put in your soup. Turn these valves off. Except for this one in the front here. Wow, get them cooled off. Put them in the water. Oh, I hope y'all could have heard me. This is really cooking. Hear that? Oh, that looks good. Oh, everything looks so good. Got it on a high so it can really cook, but woo, it is like busting all over the place. Let me get a little taste test going here. Y'all hear that? Give me a long spoon because it's like really like, ooh. Just get a little taste test here. See what I need, see what kind of seasonings I need. Okay. That's good. So let me, boy, that's good. A little bit more dash. Just a pinch of salt. I can see how much going in here. Just a little bit. Alright. Boy, that's good. That is really, really good. Alright. That looks good. Whoa, that's splashing all over the place. Yep, as soon as we get this here cornbread out, I'm going to plate this up and show the final reveal. Oh, I don't like no messy stove. Don't like a messy stove. I'm getting ready to redo my bedroom for the winter, so I'll be having that coming along soon. I don't know, I might do a video with it already like it is, so I can just show you the before and the after. Because like I said, I don't know how to edit, I don't know how to do none of that stuff, but guess what? I will. You can believe that. I will. If I had to just sit there and just do it one day with somebody on the YouTube and just go ahead and do it like that. I will learn because I'm a learner. I'm like a sponge. I'm telling you, and I can pick up just like that. Show it to me a couple of times, and I'm good. I am good. Just like with flower arranging and crafts and stuff like that here, and DIY, people like, you didn't go to school for doing flower arranging? I'm like, no, I didn't. I just look at it and I can just make it. Even with my baskets, I do gift baskets for all occasions, and just have to have an eye for it, know how to arrange stuff and put stuff in the right place, and so I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful that I never had to go to school or anything like that. So let me turn this down just a little bit. It's still bubbling over here. And like red sauces, like it gets on everywhere, and sometimes you don't even recognize it until the next day or something like that. Yeah, sometimes you really don't even recognize it until the next day where it's all at, It'd be all everywhere. Everywhere. So yeah, turn that down a little bit. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Boy, that looks good. I want some of everything of this on my plate. Yes, I do. Come on, cornbread. That's what we're waiting on now. It should be done in a little bit. Anyway, I may not be able to because we really going into this kind of long. And I really don't want it to be that long. So we like at 45 minutes now. But I got the Jiffy cornbread mix in here. And I'm getting ready to just go ahead and plate up my plate here. And like I said, I don't know how to edit or anything like that there, so I can't edit anything. But I'm gonna have this with my Jiffy cornbread mix, muffins, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up. Let y'all see the goodness of this soup here. Everything that's in it. We got okra, corn, sweet peas. We got noodles. We got, is that potatoes? Yeah, they got potatoes in here too. The lima beans and the green beans. And we got, for the meats, we got chicken thighs. We got chicken sausage from Aldi's with all the goodness in it. And we also have ground turkey. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. The green lima's in there. Yes. That okra. Give me another piece of that okra. Oh, look at that. Ooh, wait. Look at that. Don't that look good? Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh, I didn't want to get a whole lot of juice in there, so that's why, because I wanted y'all to see all what was in it. Oh, man. Off. That is done. See, if I was cooking that with steak, I would have to let that steak cook a little bit longer, you know, so that it could, so the steak could get tender and all. But I don't have to. Oh, I keep checking that. Yep. But this looks so good. Look at that. There's garlic in there, onions, and the pasta. Ooh. Stewed tomatoes, tomato paste. Everything up in there. Looking good. I thank God for this meal. Come on. I'm going to keep trying it. Yep. But I love doing this. Like I say, I enjoy bringing my meal. I got to eat every day, so I don't mind bringing, you know, sometimes what I'm cooking or what I'm eating that night. So, yeah. A few more minutes. I really wanted to, you know, like eat a piece of the cornbread with the soup, you know. This looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. Yep, let me get me a spoon. Muffins is looking good. Yep, next time I'm gonna go ahead and, if I had something I gotta bake, I'm gonna just go ahead on. It's trial and error, right? And see how much, to see what all is going on with this. Because I really didn't want this video to be too long. Some people don't like long videos. I do. I love Candy Poo Lifestyle. I love her family, and honey, I tell you, I'll be so glad when one of her videos come on. Sometimes it be an hour and somehow long, or almost 2 hours sometimes. But I absolutely love it because I love her spirit, and I love her and her family, her Granny Pooh, you know, her mom and her brothers, and you know, her kids, you know, and I enjoy looking at her because I love her and Louis. They are such beautiful people. Beautiful people, beautiful people. Okay, I believe they're done. I really do believe that they're done. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out. I don't want them crispy. But I did get them done. Yeah, they're done. girlfriend plate. Okay, put that on. Kind of stuck a little bit at the bottom, but that's okay. That is okay. Put a little bit of butter in the middle of this. Ooh, yeah. Butter right there. Put it right in there. A little bit of butter in there. Okay. We're going to go ahead and give this a little tasty. Say my prayers. Father God, in the name of Jesus, I thank and praise you for this meal. I ask that you make it nourishment for my body. In Christ's sake, I pray. Amen. We're going to go ahead and get a little bit of this cornbread in here. This cornbread. Put it down in there. Let it get juicy. With a little bit of meat here. I'm going to taste this sausage. This is okra. Oh, this is so good. Really, really good. Get a potato. I'm sorry, y'all. It's so good. Oh, wow. I haven't made soup in a while. I told you I really had changed my eating habits. But your soup is good. All depends on what you put in it. This is a nice hearty soup. And I just wanted to bring that to you. I thank you for coming and spending 54 minutes with me. Those all that stayed through the whole video. Thank you. I thank you. I thank you. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. If you like my content, come on and join the Queen's Court. And like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. Good night and God bless you. Mwah!